Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Traces of Love on guitar. Start by identifying the song's key and the main chords. Focus on the basic open chords first, as they form the foundation. Practice transitioning between these chords slowly and deliberately. This builds muscle memory and ensures a clean sound. Aim for a consistent rhythm, even at a slow tempo. The strumming pattern is crucial for capturing the song's feel. Start by practicing it slowly, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, using a metronome to keep time. Once comfortable, gradually increase the tempo. Remember to vary your strumming intensity to add expression and depth to the music, making it truly your own. Traces of Love might include some subtle fingerpicking or lead fills that enhance its beauty. Focus on learning these smaller melodic phrases accurately. Practice them separately before trying to weave them into the main chord progression. This adds a layer of complexity and authenticity to your performance, bringing the song to life. Consistent practice is key to mastering any song. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes daily to focused practice sessions. Recording yourself can highlight areas needing attention, like timing or chord clarity. Finally, play along with the original recording to refine your rhythm and overall feel, aiming for a seamless and confident performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.